With a recent rise in online abuse aimed at footballers, clubs are taking steps to educate and prepare their players for anything that may come their way during their careers, both on and off the pitch.
Middlesbrough opened their doors to us as they put on a workshop designed to equip their players with the skills to overcome these challenges.
The words I've just spoken in Arabic are the Islamic greetings of peace. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
At Middlesbrough, the young players are being taught to prepare for life off the field as much as they are on it.
This subject matter deserves full attention.
After training, it's a workshop on combating racism and online hate.
We've got to understand the risks to young footballers, the abuse they might face, and equip them and prepare them to deal with the consequences of these issues, and more importantly, how do they overcome them?
England stars have been on the receiving end of high-profile racism in recent times. At Middlesbrough, safeguarding is part of their footballing education.
I might be targeted because I'm black, but that's not the only reason why I could be targeted.
Well, all got different backgrounds, so it's good to know their beliefs, and we can then learn off them and respect them for who they are.
Racism shouldn't be in our football. Fans come and support us. They shouldn't be racist, they should be supporting us.
Humility, respect and honesty are just three of the buzzwords at Borough.
I think it's got to come from teaching children, like you say, and teenagers about the rights and wrongs and wherefores. And I think education like this is only a good thing.
In a challenging world for a young footballer, Middlesbrough are better preparing their youngsters for tomorrow. Keith Downey, Sky Sports.